What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to permanently deactivate your Debpay account. So you have to put this in mind before deactivating your account. First, KYC restrictions. You won't be able to open a new account with the same KYC, know your customer, details for another registered phone number. Data retention. Your transaction history will be saved with Debpay and linked to your mobile number and KYC details. Deactivating your account does not equate permanently deleting your data. Your data will still be stored. Cryptocurrency transfers. Make sure you have zero balance before deactivating your account, or you won't be able to actually deactivate it. So transfer them to another account and then deactivate it. Simple 3 steps to deactivate your account. Select menu by tapping the 3 lines and then security center. Here you'll find the deactivate your account option right there. You'll be asked for confirmation along with the reason for permanently closing your account. You confirm there and then you put the reason. You may select the appropriate reason and enter your security PIN. After you click deactivate your account, you will have to enter your PIN. You will receive an email on your registered email address notifying you of deactivation status. So when it's deactivated, they will send you, and that is it.